Connect your Google Fit app to inform your progress. Through the Google Fit app, Android devices can automatically track the number of steps taken each day and other health-related activities. Connecting these records can make a significant contribution towards helping both you and your team understand your progress. You can do this in 5 quick steps. 1. Download the Google Fit Health and Activity Tracking app from the Google Play Store. 2. Open Google Fit and set it up by adding your details. 3. Next, open your Recovery app, tap on Permissions under the More tab, and tap on the switch. 4. Select your Google account. 5. Allow Google Fit to connect to your Recovery app. This will enable your app to show you the difference between the average number of steps taken each day before and after your procedure, and give you other insights and encouragements. Together with your clinical team, you will also be able to review graphs showing how your level of activity changes over time, alongside your pain scores and responses to the clinical surveys at each key checkpoint in your recovery.